Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sweta'sbeautyvanity. Beauty Vanity. Hope all are doing great and amazing new year. So finally I'm back on my channel again. Since a while I have been missing on my YouTube channel. If you're following me on Instagram, Facebook or here, you must be knowing that I was traveling from India to USA as I stay in USA, but after coming back here, I don't know what happened. It took me a long time to resettle here, and I have 10 months old with me, so sometimes it feels very tiring to do everything, manage everything with single hand. So anyway, I'm back here again, and today I'll be doing a review video. I'll be reviewing a makeup brush set by the brand Vendor Alive. When I was in India, they sent their 24 pieces of makeup brush set to me for a review purpose. So this is the brush set which I'll be reviewing on this video, and at the same time I'll be doing a makeup look which is right here or right here with this makeup brush only. So if you want to know my honest review of this brush set and want to know the details about the look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching my video. But before starting my video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notified button next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload video next time you can get notified about it. And follow all my social network, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, to get to know me a little more. All the details will be available in my description box below, so don't forget to check those out. Now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is the whole brush set. It comes with this leather-like material makeup bag, which is very travel-friendly makeup bag, and it's compact packaging. I like this type of compact packaging because I travel a lot here and there. So this kind of makeup bag is very hassle-free while you are traveling. It has 6 type of face makeup brushes. Apart from this, it has different kind of eyeshadow brushes and eyebrow brushes as well. This makeup brush is called Vendor Alive 24 pieces of premium cosmetic makeup brush in Amazon website, and this makeup brush brand is one of the affordable makeup brush available in Amazon. It cost only $11.99, so it's a real deal for a beginners who started their makeup. I think very affordable for them, and I'm totally recommend this brush set to them. Now come to the material of the brushes. The bristles of these brushes is very soft, and it's cruelty free product as it says in Amazon website. It's synthetic fiber bristles. Didn't poke me at all. It feels so soft on my face. I liked it, and the wand is like wooden wand, and the front portion of the wand is metallic, as you can see. Earlier, if you are a beginner and you just started your makeup and you don't want to invest a whole lot of your money to buy or to purchase makeup brushes, this would be a real deal. Guys, I'll be sharing the Amazon link on my description box below, so don't forget to check this out if you want to buy this makeup brush set. Now come to the con part. It doesn't have any name on it, so sometimes it's little difficult, especially for the beginner, which is for what. But I can see in Amazon website they described the brush's name. But Vendor Alive, if you are watching my review, please include the brush name on the wand, because it would be more convenient. The second con of this brush set is it has similar kind of brushes like these 3 brushes. It's similar kind of brush, especially these 2. It's a kind of lip liner brush or detailing brush. In spite of having this type of similar brush, they can include different type of brushes so that we can use it more efficiently. So this is my short but compact review. I'll be giving it 8 out of 10. I really like the brush set when I used it. Totally recommend this brush set to especially for the beginners or to everyone who like to collect different kind of makeup brushes. And I hope you guys found this review helpful. Now let's see how to use these brushes. To begin with, today I start off with my face pickup, and as a foundation today I'm going to use my newly purchased Tarte Shape Tape foundation, and I'm in the shade medium. I'm going to buff out or blend out the product with this foundation brush from this range. It does its job pretty well, and it blends the product effortlessly in my skin. And I always like to end up my buffing blending process with a damp beauty sponge. That is what I'm doing here. So in the next step I'm going to use concealer under my eye. This brush set has a separate concealer brush like so, but I don't like to use any kind of concealer brush to apply concealer under my eye area. I always use any beauty sponge or my trusty finger to apply or to blend out the product under my eye area, but you can definitely use this concealer brush to apply or to blend out or to buff out the concealer product. Now to set the foundation, I'm going to use this powder compact foundation from L'Oreal, and I am going to use the same foundation brush to apply the product all over my face and neck. Now with this angular brush from this brush set, I'm gonna draw and fill up my eyebrow. This type of angular brush can be used as your eyeliner brush as well, but here I'm using it as my eyebrow brush. And after applying the eyebrow product in my eyebrow, in the next step I'm gonna grab this pulley to spread out the eyebrow product evenly in my eyebrow. Now with the help of this flattened eyeshadow brush, I'm going to clean up and carve out my eyebrow, and with this brush I'm applying concealer on my eyelid as well to prime my eyelid. Now come back to the eye makeup. So with the help of this blending brush, which is named as eyeshadow brush in the website, I'm going to apply crease color in my crease area, and at the same time I'm going to blend this product, blend the eyeshadow with this brush. This type of round end eyeshadow brush is very useful to blend any crease color in the crease area. Now with this flat fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply this reddish brown color into my lower crease area like so. This type of flat brush is very useful. You can apply any eyeshadow into your eyelid, as well as it can be used as blending brush as well. So I'm applying this reddish brown eyeshadow in my crease area, and at the same time I'm bringing this color into outer corner and inner corner of my eyelid, as you can see in this video. Now with this sponge applicator brush, I'm gonna apply this dark blue eyeshadow onto the inner part and outer part of my eyelid. Now to apply this pigment, I'm going to use this small flat brush. This type of precise flat brush is very useful to apply any foil pigment or any pigment onto your eyelid. I always like to spray a little bit of makeup mist setting spray onto my brush before applying this type of pigment onto my eyelid. Now top of this pigment, I'm going to use this golden glitter product to add extra oomph to the eye look. Now in the next step, I'm going to apply a very thin liner along with my upper lash line like so. To set the concealer under my eye area, I'm going to grab this flat end kabuki brush, and I'm going to apply a powder product under my eyes to set the concealer. This type of flat brush is very useful when you are working with any powder product all over your face. Now with this face angular brush, I'm going to powder contour my face. I like to use this type of angular brush to powder contour my face, and I'm contouring the outer perimeter of my face, like under my jawline, hollow of my cheekbone, and down below my hairline, like I'm doing here. Now for nose contouring, I'm going to grab this small angular brush. This type of angular brush is very helpful when you are contouring your nose. It's an eyeshadow brush, so definitely you can use it as your eyeshadow brush. When you are depositing any type of eyeshadow onto the outer part of your eyelid, this is very helpful on that part. Now it's time to apply powder blush on my cheek, and for that I'm grabbing this flat surface powder brush. It has a flat surface by which any kind of powder blush product applied on your cheek perfectly. Now let's finish up the eye look. Here I am taking the same blending eyeshadow brush to deposit the crease color onto the lower lash line, and next to apply the brown color precisely onto the lower lash line, I am taking this sponge head eyeshadow brush, which is a kind of smudging brush for me, and then I am taking this flat eyeshadow brush to apply the shimmery eyeshadow onto the lower lash line, top of the brown eyeshadow. And after that, for tight lining my lower waterline, I am applying kajal onto my lower waterline, as you can see in the video. Now to apply the highlighter onto the brow bone area, I am taking this flat eyeshadow brush which I used for carve out my eyebrow. I am placing a highlighted shade down the arch of my eyebrow. Now it's time to apply highlighter on my face, and for that I'm using a fan brush. This brush set has two type of fan brushes. One is a big large fan brush and another one is a small fan brush. You can use either of one, and I'm applying highlighter on the highest point of my face. Now to finish up the whole look, I'm applying this lip shade or this lipstick on my lips. All the products which I use today will be available in my description box below, so in case if you're interested, you can check my description box below. So this is the final look, guys. I added false lashes and mascara off camera. You can totally skip out the false part. I really liked the look, the way it turned out, guys. Please let me know your thought in the comment section below about this look. So guys, that's conclude the video. I hope you found this video helpful, you found the review helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you want to purchase this particular makeup brush set, please don't forget to check my description box below to get the Amazon link. You can directly purchase from the Amazon link which I shared in my description box below. And if you like it, please give it a huge big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Share my channel with your friends and family. I'll be back here with another exciting videos. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.